This is all old my garage door bottom seal. Alright, I wanna show you today how to repair this bottom seal. Now, look at this nail. All the wood damage, water damage. Water into the bottom of the garage door, inside, and all rust. And look at the garage door bottom. All cracked, all cracks, and some of them wood was weakened up a little softer. Alright, wood was soft. So I need to repair this first. Alright, I'll show you how to repair this, soften up the wood and all the wood cracks. And feel. Let's start work. So let's ready to repair now. A lot of cracks, nail holes. Alright. So I will repair all this wood crack with resin. Okay. So all the crack I applied the fiberglass resin. Alright. So let me dry up. Now let's install final bottom seal. Alright. I bought from Amazon. I ordered solid rubber. This one. This is old one, but looks like more thicker and more durable. But now they advertising, but looks like it was like this, but came out like this, more thinner. Got it. But I think it will be works. Alright, doesn't matter. And the nail came with this kind of nail. Looks like a bumpy over here. So I think not good for this one. So I'm gonna switch it to the looping nail. Alright. I have 1.25 inch and a 3/4 inch. Let's start install bottom seal. Alright, finally done garage door. This is garage door finally done. Nice, nice, nice. Looks good. Looks